Hello everyone, and welcome to our video. I am Peter from experttrading.co.uk, and I'll be showing you some of the analysis that goes on behind our trades that we place. So what I've got here is I've got 4 charts all on different time frames: the 5-minute, the 60, the 4-hour and the daily. So we're going to look at all of these to determine the trend and determine the direction of our trade, and then we're going to come back tomorrow morning and we're actually going to place a trade. I hope you're all excited, because I am very excited. So the first thing is the 1-hour chart. As we can see, this is in a clear downtrend. We don't need to do anything else here. It is a minor downtrend, but it doesn't matter. It's quite significant in terms of an hourly chart. So the next chart we're actually going to look at here is the daily chart. So this is very interesting because this is an extremely strong downtrend, and I drew a trend line on here earlier, and it touches it beautifully at the start here. It touches it, then touches it again, and then touches it again, and then moves down. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but when it broke here through the 50-day moving average, it touched it there again, and it's reacting to it very nicely, just like it has in the past. Remember, in trading you always use the indicator which price reacts to the most in the past. So this currency pair, which is EURUSD, has reacted to the 50-day moving average in the past a lot. So as you can see here, I mean from August really, there's a touch, and it just keeps moving that, and then it breaks it, and it keeps moving down, touches it again, and then keeps moving down. And you can see the cyclicity here. I mean, these phases, they're incredible. So you got phase 1, phase 2, phase 1, and then phase 2, and then it goes down back to, and we're looking for a phase 1. So we're looking for a short trade. So this is very encouraging. So we can use this this daily chart. Right. So another reason for us. Another reason for us to take a short trade here. Sorry, I just accidentally moved this trend line. Right, so another reason for us to want to take a short trade here is the fact that this minor trend line here was broken, and this candle, let me zoom in a bit. So this candle here broke through and closed below, and it's been consistently trading below this trend line. So, and it's only a minor one, but still, because it bounced off the major one here at the top, it bounced off this one, bounced off there, went down, broke the minor. So it's very consistent. So here, right, let's go back here. You see this trend line here that I drew that touches there, there, and there. This one, when it broke this trend line, we didn't trade. So during this period we don't trade. This is consolidation, we're not trading. But then it bounces off a major trend line, it forms a touch, and it actually creates a trend line. And then what it also does is it bounces off the 50-day moving average on the daily chart and then comes down. So this is a very strong signal that we are still in a downtrend. So then tomorrow morning we will trade off the 5-minute chart and look to take a short position. So we'll be back in the morning to show you how that's done. Right, hello again. It's the next day, and we said we're going to look for a trade setup here. So just making sure everything went normal. Nothing really happened during the night. As you can see here on the 1-hour chart, it just sort of went flat. And so we're going to look to be trading off the 5-minute. Right, okay, so here we can see some activity. We can see some good activity going on, and we can see an opportunity going short here, and I'll explain a little bit more about that in a second. So what I want to do is I'm going to open a ticket here for GBP, for EURUSD, and I'm going to enter a short trade. Right, sell. There we go, we're in. And now we just have to wait and see what it does. First I'm just going to put in my my stop loss and take profit. So the price that we got in is 1.3611. So our stop loss is 20 pips, and our take profit is 20 pips. So 1.3631. That's our stop loss, and 1.3591. That's our take profit. So modify the order, and now all we have to do is wait. And right, if we go back to this chart, so let's just put those in lines here. So it has to get to about here. Always give or take a few pips. And our stop loss is, let's make a note of where it is. What did we say? 3-1, didn't we? So about there, that's our stop loss, which is quite nice stop loss actually, because it's the high of the day at the moment, because it's about 25 past 6. So we're just looking for it to go down to there, to that level. Right. So I'll come back and show you how it's gone. Let me just show you this trade here. So what we have, it's minus 20 at the moment. We're risking about 1% on this trade. So yeah, let's just wait and see what happens. Alright. Hello guys, welcome to our third installment of this video. It's now the evening, and we're very excited about this trade. It was a big success, and it was actually I think our 16th trade on this strategy, and we've had 14 wins and 2 losses. So we're very excited about this strategy, and it seems to have worked again. As you can see here, it went a bit sideways for a while and then dropped down to our target, and actually went a lot further beyond that. And this gives us good scope for Monday, because this is a Friday at the moment. So for Monday, when we get back, we still have that downtrend. We still have this bounce and break on the 4-hour chart that we spoke about earlier, and we're going to be analysing this again on Monday morning to see if we can take another short trade on the Euro USD. Thank you very much.